The law of attraction is a powerful principle that can shape your reality. It suggests that your thoughts and beliefs can manifest your desires into reality. To harness this law effectively, start by cultivating a positive mindset. Practice mindfulness and meditation to clear your mind of negative thoughts. Cultivate gratitude daily. Appreciate what you have to attract more positivity. Create a vision board. Visualize your goals to make them feel more tangible. Use positive affirmations. Reinforce your beliefs with empowering statements. Believe in the possibility. Faith is crucial in manifesting your desires. Take inspired action. The law of attraction works best when coupled with effort. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Be patient. Manifestation takes time, so trust the process. Spread positivity. What you give out to the world, you receive back. Focus on what you want, not what you lack. Your energy attracts similar energies. Release limiting beliefs. They can hinder your manifestation efforts. Nurture your dreams. Like a seed, your goals need consistent care to grow. Align with your true self. Authenticity amplifies your manifestation power. Cultivate an abundance mindset. Believe there's enough for everyone. Practice focused intention. Direct your energy towards your specific goals. Elevate your emotions. Higher vibrational feelings attract positive outcomes. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your dreams. Stay open to possibilities. The universe may deliver in unexpected ways. Maintain balance. Harmony in all areas of life enhances overall attraction. Trust divine timing. Everything falls into place at the right moment. By applying these principles consistently, you can effectively use the law of attraction. Remember, you have the power to create your own reality. Believe, act, and receive. And click the link below this video for more help with the law of attraction.